So shout out to Hot Braids for sending over their caramel brown human hair lock extensions with some added hair and also locking tools to complete this look for today, girl. It's gonna be real quick and real cute, girl. So as you can tell, we've already done that. we've already done the majority of it, because guess who didn't have time? Me. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the lock and kind of spread the hair that's not dreaded up in half the best way I can. Because girl, it don't always work like that, okay? I'm gonna get my crocheting needle and I'm going to hook it to the side of the pre-made lock. Then I'll put my lock in the hook of the crocheting needle, secure the crocheting needle, and pull it through the side of the pre-made lock. So next we're gonna place half of the hair going down, right? We're gonna hold it, and then we're going to wrap the other part of the hair, wrap it around going up the lock, so it almost looks like it's an ombre effect. And then we're just gonna do the same thing to the bottom half and just twirl it around going downwards. And now I'm going to tuck the hair just a little bit just to see if the lock and the pre-made lock is secure, because we don't want nothing falling out, girl. And that's it, girl. From this to this, growth wear, overnight wear here. If y'all want to know, you can't see it, but it's right above my bootay. I had to be very careful how I did this style, because I didn't realize I got the wrong size locks, and not realizing that my actual locks are a little thinner than the locks that I have, but we had to make it work. Amen. A lot of test and trial and struggle, but girl, feeling like Ariel from The Little Mermaid, okay? Under the sea. So that's the end of today's video. Girl, shout out once again to Hot Braids for sending your girl over these lock extensions. A real quick moment to look real cute. You feel me? Okay? And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And always remember that you're flavored with favor. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.